In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview documents in Pandadoc. Previewing a document in Pandadoc is a simple but important habit, especially when you want to double-check layout, spacing, and the overall flow before you send anything to someone else. A preview helps you catch small issues early, like a misaligned section, a missing page break, or content that looks fine in the editor but reads differently in a clean viewing mode. This process works the same way whether you are working with a document you created or a template you plan to reuse. To begin, open the document or template you want to review. Make sure you are inside the editor where you can see the content on the page. If you are working in a shared workspace, take a moment to confirm you have opened the correct file, since many documents can have similar names. Next, look at the top of the page and find the View option in the header menu. This is where Pandadoc groups the ways you can display and review your file. Click View to open the menu. After you click View, a drop-down list will appear. From that list, choose Pages Preview. This option switches you from the editing experience to a preview mode that is designed for reviewing the document as pages. It is useful because it helps you see the document more like your recipient will see it, with clearer page boundaries and a more polished view. Once you select Pages Preview, the document preview will open. At this point, take your time to scan through the pages. Read headings and key sections, and watch for anything that looks crowded, cut off, or out of place. If your document includes multiple sections, you can use the preview to confirm that the order is correct and that each page looks clean and consistent. When you are done reviewing, you can return to editing to make any adjustments you notice, then run the preview again to confirm everything looks right. And that is all there is to it.